Hi everyone, my name is Abel Gray Cantoma. I'm from GREYTEST Design Consult. This is my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number. You can call me on any of these numbers, okay? Today I'm very much excited. I'm going to be showing you this great plugin that I have discovered called Cads Rc. Okay, this Cads Rc is a plugin that you actually use on your AutoCAD software. My AutoCAD is actually 2019, and I have Cads Rc 2019 plugin in my AutoCAD. Okay, it can actually generate automatic detailing for you, okay, for any structural member that you actually want to actually use. Okay, so today I'm going to quickly show you how to actually do your detailing with your Cads Rc, your staircase detailing. You can see I already have one staircase here. I'm going to name this staircase 2. Okay, and then I will click on OK. Then the next thing I'm going to do here is I'll click on this default. I will double click on this. Now you can see you can change the spacing of your reinforcement. Mind you, please, this Cads Rc is not for design. Okay, it's not for design, it's for detailing. Okay, it's meant for detailing. Please take note, it's actually meant for detailing. Maybe you have done your design using a particular software and you want to actually do your detailing on AutoCAD. It helps you to achieve your detailing much more easier and much more faster. It saves a whole lot of time for you. Okay, you don't have to spend days, trying to come up with your detailing manually using AutoCAD. Okay, so this does a whole lot of job for you. You can see the concrete cover, concrete grade. You can actually change all of those information. I'm not actually going to do that right now because I just want this video to be as brief as possible. You can see the right flight bar inside. I'm actually going to select this as the option, and then I'll click on next. Here, look at my informations, the number of risers. Let's say, let me leave it at 10. 10 is, let me leave it at 10. Okay, so you are at liberty to change it to whatever number of riser that you want to use. Okay, so I'll click on next here. My reinforcement, you can change any of the reinforcement here. You can see you can change it to whatever reinforcement you actually want to use. Okay, and then I'll click on next, and then I'll actually click on draw. Now the next thing I'll do is to click on OK. Okay, draw. Now you can see this is it here below. So it's asking me label plan only. You can see that's the option. Is telling me whether it should label only the plan, or it should label both the plan and the cross section, or it should not even label at all. You can see neither. Okay, if you can see my cursor, okay, you can see the information there. So because I want it to label both, I'm going to type both here, and then I'll click on OK. Okay, now place plan view labels above or below plan. Okay, so I want it to place it above, so I'll type above here, and then I'll click on OK. Now you can see it's actually generating my detailed drawing for me, so I'm going to move it away from that place, but you can see it's actually generating the plan view for me, which is this. So I'm moving it here to this direction, and you can see it has generated my entire staircase detailing for me within just few minutes. It has actually generated the whole of this. This is actually something that will take you hours sometimes to achieve. Okay, but you can see in less than 5 minutes we're able to actually achieve our staircase. Okay, in the next video I'm going to be showing you how to come about your slab detailing using the software, where it will generate your slab detail for you automatically. This software is actually very great. This plugin is actually very great. Okay, I actually love this. Thumbs up to the manufacturers of this plugin. Okay, if you love what you're seeing, please like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. It's actually 100% free. Click on the bell icon in order for you to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, just to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight. Okay, make sure you click on the red button written subscribe. Once you click on that button, you have subscribed already. Okay, it's actually 100% free. Okay, you can follow me, go down below the description, you'll find the link to this channel. Okay, you can come learn with us. We'll guide you through the process of design. Okay, make sure that you stay safe and you stay blessed.